Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your boy Marvelous. Welcome to Marvel's World. Today we are going to Accra Zoo, and as you can see, I am at the entrance or the checkpoint where you pay your entrance fee or your gate fee. You can either walk or pick a car from the checkpoint to the main gate of the zoo. It's about a 30-minute walk from there. Welcome to Accra Zoo. This is the reception to the zoo. When you get here, all you have to do is to enter your details, your ticket details into the book, and you will be assigned to a tour guide. We finally joined our tour guide and we started touring the zoo. Stay tuned and enjoy this incredible views from Accra Zoo.
The blue and yellow macaw.
Blue and yellow
Macaw.
macaw.
That's one. The blue and yellow parrot, yes. So that is it's considered one of the biggest parrot species, and then they can be found in Amazon forest. They are endangered.
Wow.
Yep. And then, with the help of their beak, they drink water from the coconuts. Their lifespan is 60 to 70 years.
Wow.
60.
60.
Yes. And then next to the blue and yellow macaw is the African grey parrot, the one in the front with the red tail. So that is the most intelligent parrot species. And then Africa has beautiful things. Yes, we have the most intelligent parrot species.
This porcupine was hiding from my camera. You can actually adopt one of these beautiful monkeys by naming it and paying an amount of money every month for its upkeep. You don't take them home though. Let me know in the comment section if you would love to adopt one of these monkeys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get a notification anytime I post a video. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.